Welcome back, Banterra family. Thalen here again, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your microwave door. But before we do that, as usual, let's go over a few things that we're going to need. First and foremost, you'll need your PPE, gloves and goggles. Secondly, you'll need to disconnect the power to your unit. We can simply do that by unplugging this unit from up top. As you can see, it is now dead with no power. Secondly, you will need a Phillips screwdriver and what is most commonly referred to as a number 10 star, or proper name, a T10 Torx, for the set screw on the door. Okay, let's get started and get this door removed. Best way to do is go ahead and open up your door. You will want to remove the 2 Phillips screws from your microwave grill. And at that point, you can pull the grill forward and it simply lifts up. Makes it a lot easier to get the door off the unit with the grill off. Secondly, your T10 screw is going to be right here in the top corner of your microwave door. We will unscrew the T10 Torx. At that point, you will remove it. Simply push your door to the side and it will lift right up out of the bottom hinge. It's simply on a pin hinge on the bottom, right there. And at that point, you will get your new door, match, make sure everything looks good. The easiest way is to start by inserting your bottom hinge first and then line up the top hinge. And we can reinstall our door screw. It can be a little tricky getting her lined up in there. It's a delicate screw, so don't force it. Take your time getting the new door lined up. And there we have it. Tighten the screw. Close and reopen. Make sure everything is nice and smooth. There we have a good door. And we will reinstall the grill. We will put our 2 set screws back in the grill. Plug our unit back in, and the job is complete. So thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already, and leave us some comments below on what you would like to see going forward. Thank you and have a great day.